Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to get a lot of followers on TikTok without spending any money. Yes, that's right, you can grow your TikTok account without spending a single penny. So, if you're ready, let's get started. First, consistency is key. One of the most important factors when it comes to growing your TikTok account is consistency. You need to be consistent with your posting schedule, and you need to post quality content regularly. Your audience will only stick around if they know you're going to post new and exciting content on a regular basis. Second, know your audience. Another key factor in growing your TikTok following is understanding your audience. Who are they? What do they like? What are their interests? And what kind of content do they want to see? Once you know your audience, you can tailor your content to their interests, which will help you grow your following. Third, utilize trends. TikTok is all about trends, and if you want to grow your following, you need to jump on board with the latest trends. Make sure you're keeping up to date with what's popular and incorporate those trends into your content. Fourth, use hashtags. Hashtags are a great way to get your content seen by more people. Make sure you're using relevant hashtags that are related to your content. This will help your content show up in search results and get more views. Fifth, engage with your audience. Engaging with your audience is key to growing your following. Respond to comments, like and comment on other people's content, and make sure you're building relationships with your audience. The more you engage with your followers, the more likely they are to stick around and share your content with others. Sixth, collaborate with others. Collaborating with other TikTok creators is a great way to grow your following. Find creators that are similar to you and collaborate on content together. This will help you reach a new audience and get more exposure for your account. Seventh, share your TikTok content on other social media platforms. Sharing your TikTok content on other social media platforms is a great way to get more exposure for your account. Share your TikTok videos on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and any other social media platform you use. This will help you reach a larger audience and get more followers. Eighth, be yourself. Last but not least, be yourself. TikTok is all about authenticity, and if you want to grow your following, you need to be authentic and true to yourself. Don't try to be someone you're not or create content that doesn't feel true to who you are. People will appreciate your authenticity and will be more likely to follow you. Conclusion. So there you have it, guys. Those are my tips for growing your TikTok following without spending any money. Remember, consistency, knowing your audience, utilizing trends, using hashtags, engaging with your audience, collaborating with others, sharing your content on other social media platforms, and being yourself are all key factors in growing your following. If you follow these tips, you'll be well on your way to growing your TikTok account and becoming a TikTok star. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.